Hey guys, Sean from Living Seeds, your seed guru. Today, using one of these tools, we're going to teach you how to make planting pots out of old newspapers, just like this. These are the Living Seeds pot makers, and we're really excited about these awesome tools. It consists of a shape former and a base, and this and a little bit of scrap paper is all you need to make thousands and thousands of pots like this. They come in 4 different colors. We've got sand, slate, earth, and then our super awesome Living Seeds green. Okay guys, to make your own little planting pots like this, you're going to need a piece of newspaper. This piece of newspaper is the width of a standard newspaper page, and it's about 10 centimeters wide. What we found is if you take a spray bottle and you just give it a quick spritz to moisten the paper, it first of all sticks very nicely to the former, and you just roll it up like this. It doesn't need to be 100% perfect. You fold the base over like that. You take the base of the former and you give it a quick twist and carefully just slide it off like that. Okay, so now you have your very own planting pot, which you can fill with germination mix. You can plant your seed inside there. Once the seedling grows up, you're able to take the entire pot, seedling and all, and plant it straight into the ground, ensuring that there is no transplant shock on your seedlings. Isn't that awesome? Making your own planting pots with a Living Seeds pot maker is really simple. Some newspaper, a Living Seeds pot maker, a couple of spritzes of water, and you've got planting pots for days. Guys, one of the questions that we have quite often is the printing inks in the newspaper. The printing companies no longer use lead, they use a vegetable-based ink, so that problem has been solved. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. We're really excited about this. If you want to receive our latest videos, there's a button over here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.